Have you ever wanted to know how popular YouTubers add those cool eye-catching subtitles to their videos? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can recreate this for yourself as well. Okay, let's get started. To begin with, the first thing we will need to work in this video is InterSubs, a special extension for creating word-by-word animated subtitles. This extension allows you to create, edit, and customize subtitles directly within Adobe Premiere Pro, which is much more convenient than using online services, as all the subtitles are right on the timeline. You need to install it first so it's ready to go. Next, we move on to creating the transcription and SRT file. So once you're in Adobe Premiere, the next thing you need to do is go to the Text tab and generate a transcript. Click on the Transcribe Sequenced button and select the language, as well as the audio track you want to transcribe. We need this so as not to enter everything manually, but to automate the process of obtaining words from audio files. Once the script is created, the next thing we need to do is check all the text for typos. It's quite easy to do this here and now, and in the future we won't have to go back to correcting, and this will speed up the process. After we have checked all the text, next we need to generate subtitles with word-by-word animation settings. Click on the CC Create Captions button, and when window opens, move the two sliders to minimum and select single under the word lines. This will generate captions with word-by-word timings, which we can now export to SRT file. On the Text Captions tab, click on the three dots, Export then .srt file, and save it to any convenient location. Done. The original track with subtitles can be deleted after we have saved the SRT. Now that we have the SRT file with word-by-word timings, we can move on to InterSubs. Let's generate our subtitles. Drag the SRT file into the SRT file field and the Mober template into the Mober template field. Currently, there are 6 different unique styles of Mober templates available. You can view them all in the gallery, the link to which I will leave in the description below the video. And now, as an example, let's just select the template with the tag 5BB2B and see how everything works. Click the Create Subs button, and after a few seconds, our subtitles begin to be added to the timeline. Now that our subtitles have been added to the timeline, we can check how they were generated and, if necessary, make adjustments to the phrases or the appearance of our subtitles. For working on phrases in the editing panel, there are Move Left and Move Right tools for moving the outer words from one phrase to another, as well as Join and Split tools for combining and separating them. For example, right now, I will highlight any phrase and move the far left word to the end of the previous group. I will do the same with the next word. And we will move another word to the right using Move Right. Great. The Join and Split tools are quite intuitive. The only thing is that for Join, you need to clearly highlight the first and last word to avoid mistakes. For Split, it is enough to select the word by which we want to divide our phrase, and you can even join several words in a row using Join. With the Move Left and Move Right tools, you can highlight any word in the current phrase, only the outer words will be moved to the next or previous groups. As I mentioned, everything is quite intuitive. Next is customization. To change the style of our subtitles, we need to go to the Essential Graphics tab in the Edit section, where we have access to many settings. For example, I will now choose a different background color and change the color of the unspoken words. However, you may notice that these settings only apply to one current subtitle, while the others remain with their original style. To fix this and synchronize our subtitles, we will use one of the copy-paste tools to copy the style and paste it onto the others. All done, now our subtitles have a consistent style. The same goes for the position scale rotation settings. First, we set everything up as it should look on one current subtitle, then we use the copy-paste position scale rotation tool to copy and paste the settings onto all the other subtitles. Done. Now our subtitles are synchronized. This way, you can create, edit, and customize subtitles directly on the timeline without leaving Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to like. See you in the next video.